My name is Matt Splitter. I'm a fifth generation farmer.
My name is Dave Weber. I've been farming for 43 years.
We do not till at all. We believe in providing the best health for our soil as we possibly can. Soils are alive, they rejuvenate themselves, and so whatever we can do to not disrupt those soils is what we feel is best for our soil structure.
When I started farming, there was no such thing as no-till. Everybody was full tillage. No-till has phased itself in, and I've adopted it too through the years, but I'm actually somewhat reverting back to tillage. When no-till started, chemicals worked. Today, not so well. Just to give you an example, I talked to a neighbor the other day that when he started using Roundup, he was using 12 ounces of Roundup and 4 gallons of water when he sprayed. So now the recommendations today are around 15 gallons of water an acre and 32 ounces of Roundup to make it work.
Yeah, the word no-till is kind of a buzzword right now. We like to say that we're never till. So the only time that we want to disrupt the soil is when we're cutting a slot in the ground to place a seed. Personally, I believe that no-till is just better for the soil. I think it's a kind of a better to conserve moisture.
I would say that the biggest benefit of tillage is there have been weeds that have gotten chemically resistant to a lot of products that are out there, but nothing has become resistant to steel. You can always go out as a last resort and use that.
There are situations where tillage may be a better situation, but for a whole systems approach and for our whole process, no-till is by far better for our operation. But one of the greatest things about agriculture in America is freedom of choice. And so what I believe is best for my farm may not work on the neighbor's farm, and the neighbor may need to till, and the neighbor may feel that tillage is a better form for him.
I think you need to look at your own operation, but the bottom line is too, you have to make a living. And if chemicals are not working for you, you have to look at other options.
You know, one of the greatest things about farming in America is, or even being an American, is just the freedom of choice and being able to do what you feel is best for your operation.